Welcome to Bob's Business Class, where today I'm sharing tips to upgrade your travel game without necessarily upgrading your ticket. Now, if you've ever watched someone breeze through security, land the perfect seat, and arrive refreshed while you're still untangling your earbuds, you're not alone. High mileage business travelers know how to make every trip smoother, and here's how they do it. Okay, number one, you have to start by booking smarter, not just earlier. Executives don't always book months in advance, but they do book strategically. Look for flights that depart early in the day to avoid delays. Midweek flights are also often less crowded and they are cheaper. Most of the time when we travel, we're usually traveling midweek. We don't travel over the weekends.
Yes.
Set alerts for price drops using apps like Hopper or Google Flights, and consider booking directly with the airline for easier rebooking if plans change.
This is a very good tip.
I was wondering if that was going to trigger you to maybe say how you've messed up in the past.
Well, no, I just call you.
Another tip would be
we've been through this a lot on this show.
Don't book basic economy. Even if it was by accident.
It was desperate times, okay?
Number two, breeze through security. TSA PreCheck and global entry aren't luxuries, they are time savers. Combine global entry with a credit card that reimburses the fee. Most of them do now. If you charge your global entry application to the credit card, they just give you back the $100. Add Clear for biometric access and skip the ID check line entirely. Nowadays, they're using an iris scan. It used to be your fingerprints, but not anymore. Okay.
And man, do I look so tired in the morning when I'm just like, oh, what a terrible picture.
Remember, we don't know where we were, but the customs machine that cost me and you like mid-sentence?
Yes.
So crazy. All right.
We still went right through.
It still cleared us. I don't know how. We looked like one person somehow combined together. Frequent flyers also register for airline programs like Delta Sky Priority or United Premier Access for even faster boarding. That's those Group 1 and Group 2 people that you see boarding before you. All right, number three, master the power of points.
Oh, you're very good at this.
Executives rarely pay full price for upgrades or lounge access. Use credit cards that earn transferable points like American Express membership rewards or Chase Ultimate rewards. You can transfer those to United or American or anywhere, and then you can cash them with the airline for the access to the
You are
lounges.
very, very good at this. In fact, when we're done here, I need you to help me do.
Yeah, I know. We keep talking about whenever we're good. I'm up to like 300,000 points.
Yeah, I need you to help me with that.
Stack those points with airline loyalty programs for free seat upgrades, priority boarding, and access to better flights. And also, know your credit card perks. Many offer travel insurance, trip delay coverage, and lounge access that you might not even realize you have. That's something I say all the time, especially to everyone who books cruises through the show. You might spend extra on travel protection, but if you pay with your credit card, you don't need it in some cases.
Yes,
it's included.
this is
You're already
a true
paying
story.
for it. All right, number four. Pack like a minimalist. This is something Nikki cannot do.
I'm struggling with this part.
Are you? How many pieces of luggage do you travel with usually?
Well, I'm a maximalist.
Oh.
I like a lot of jewelry. I like a lot of clothes. I like a lot of shoes. I like a lot of hair things.
That might
I
look
like a lot
suspicious
of.
going through security. Time is money, and waiting at baggage claim is neither. Use a quality carry-on and stick to a packing list. Keep a small toiletry bag packed with travel-size essentials.
What's that?
And invest in noise-canceling headphones, because if you're sitting near Nikki, it's pretty loud. And a travel pillow that fits inside your bag. Comfort does matter when you're logging those miles.
I was very good on our last trip. I hardly brought anything.
Yep, it's true. And I will always say, bring a change of clothes in your carry-on, just in case your luggage doesn't make it and you do.
Yeah, Sammy and I were just stuck in Atlanta in the same clothes. And when you're traveling with a 7-year-old who just has all of her meals all over her, guess we were buying airport clothes again.
You didn't go to like a laundromat on your layup? I'm just kidding.
Oh my God.
Number five, work and rest on the move. Successful travelers use every leg of a journey wisely. So download documents and entertainment before you leave. Don't rely on the in-flight Wi-Fi. Listen to Nikki's in-flight entertainment update. Use airline apps for mobile boarding passes, seat changes, and gate updates. But I will also say, make sure you have a printed copy of your boarding pass.
Oh yeah, you're
because
big. Yes.
when your flight cancels, that boarding pass disappears.
That's true.
And then sometimes you can't find it. It's easier just to have the paper in some cases.
And also, I've been on 2 flights recently where the interwebs have not worked.
Yes, we were together on those.
Luckily, I had downloaded things on Sam's iPad because then, I always have an activity bag for her. But what if there had been what would I have done?
Oh no.
What would I have done to entertain that child for hours and hours? You know what's
No, it's true. No, it's true. All right, Nikki, I think you've added enough tips and feedback to what I presented that you today have graduated Bob's Business Class.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us.